Libra, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this page. Been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day, the divine light. You have been giving, the words of wisdom, the knowledge of the universe, the knowledge of spirit. You guys are the guides to everyone's answers. What you do while everyone is able to watch, we're mimicking. We're actually you are the actual example. We get to see it in real life. So not only can they read about it and do people talk about prosperity and growth, but you are the vision. So not only can we talk about it, but we can just see it and we watch you as you evolve. So continue to be bold, continue to walk in your strength, because you're helping so many people understand what is possible. I'm the expression of love. I shine like the sun. My inner light is my strength and my treasure. My intuition guides me to discover the wonder and goodness of who I truly am. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.